in this station, we have also to take back the foam from the conveyor. Then we want to assemble a pen in 3 parts. Yeah, we use different zones here, like to pick the part from the bin, drop it there, and with the camera we locate the part to be able to pick it and place it in the holder. Because we want to take like really small parts on the table, so it was easier like to take the small part, also to have the grip check validation. So for this one here is only like 2-3 millimeters, so indeed is a good choice for that. Yeah, well, in the bin, like we use the robot like to goes in and close the gripper, and then we use the grip check to check if we have the part. Then we retreat if we don't have the part, or try again if we don't have the part. Well, the bin making was quite challenging, but like with what I did actually is like to use the pad and move inside the bin, like kind of thing that we want to do with the hand, like just move it around and take it, so you can grab the part inside the gripper. And the other one like was to put the mine inside the pen, since it's like quite close, a small part. We use like the spiral search and insertion feature to. Yeah, there's Force Copilot, and I don't know how I can did it without.